Please Saturday everyone, si Biker Vlogger ng Kabuyaw. I'm here in Enchanted Kingdom, Santa Rosa City. Yan guys yung i-picture ni Biker Vlogger ng Kabuyaw. Yan guys yung Enchanted Kingdom guys sa Santa Rosa City. The biggest amusement park in the Philippines. Enchanted Kingdom. Yan guys yung i-picture ni Biker Vlogger ng Kabuyaw. Napakagandang guys, amusement park. Dito lang si Biker Vlogger ng Kabuyaw, malapit sa highway. Limited lang yung kanyang access guys. Yan ang napakagandang Enchanted Kingdom na nakabase dito sa Santa Rosa City guys. Enchanted Kingdom, napakagandang amusement park. The best city guys itong Enchanted, saka itong Santa Rosa City. Dito nakabase guys yung Enchanted Kingdom. Well known siya na bilang AK. Pinakamagandang kwan guys sa amusement park sa Pilipinas. Yan guys yung Enchanted Kingdom guys, napakaganda. Dito lang ako sa highway. Limited lang yung access ni Galang Vlogger ng Kabuyaw. Yan guys, napakagandang amusement park guys, Enchanted Kingdom. Enchanted Kingdom guys, napakagandang amusement park sa Santa Rosa City. Yan ang picture ni Galang Vlogger ng Kabuyaw. Yan, napakagandang amusement park guys sa Santa Rosa City. Santa Rosa City, napakaganda. Dito nakabase yung Enchanted Kingdom. Bye-bye na guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Billy Baguna Vlog, and touch the notification bell para update kayo sa aking mga ina-upload na video guys. Maraming salamat sa support guys. Maraming salamat.